Hello, in today's short video I will show you how to reactivate your disabled Clickbank account. So you go to Clickbank, you go to support, and the best thing to get your account back is to go to affiliate help and you go to the right top corner and submit a request. Why are we submitting a request? If your Clickbank account was disabled, it has some problem with Clickbank or with a Clickbank policy. So the best and fastest thing to do is to submit the request. You submit the request with your email, the subject, with your data summary request that your account was disabled, that you wanted back, and so on and so on. You press the type of your question, your account nickname, and your attachments if you have some attachments to put on it. So that is the quickest way. Clickbank will answer you. You will have your reason for why your Clickbank account was disabled. If it was disabled from some reason, you can create another one, or if it was disabled from a Clickbank issue, you will get it back, and so that is the quickest way to do it. So you just submit a request to Clickbank and wait for their answer. Thank you for watching this video. If you have some other questions, quick questions, we will answer you in the comments below. Bye.